still not live? Okay. Okay. We had 693. What does that mean? Oh, 693 subscribers. Yes. Yup. Okay, awesome. Let me share my screen quickly. Howdy ho, lads. Howdy ho. Panda, what's up? Howdy Shriram, howdy Wrench. Dude, that was so funny that happened yesterday. Oh, why do you have 7 ads? That's way too much. I just did for actually 3 minutes of ads. Yeah, I ran. In the starting, I ran 3 minutes of ads. Sorry. Yeah, in the starting, I ran 3 minutes of ads so that you guys don't see it later. Actually, so how I make money from Twitch is I can just show you. You see this when you guys let's say start the stream, right? When I start the stream, the reason I do a 2-minute run, so I can like play this button, and this button is all about, hey, can you run an ad? Yeah. So when you see the ad, right, that's how I make money. It's very less revenue. I can quickly show you guys. Revenue is like almost $8 per thousand views. So I have overall in my whole life might have made like couple dollars from watching those ads. Pay for the sub. Yeah, that's technically how they want you to. I wish like I just get so much sponsorship and affiliation that I don't have to run ads. That would be a very nice thing. But yeah, that's it is. That's what it teach. It teach what it teach. So if you open the tab right on Twitch, and when I'm about to start playing the ad, that helps indeed for the revenue. That's for sure. Why not? I love Panda, bro. Panda is here. Love Panda. Yeah, Panda's exams are over. Yes. Okay. Uh, that's yeah. Hopefully that answers your question, Wrench. How I wrench, like how I make money on Twitch. Yeah, that's all there is to this. Now, Panda is on Twitch today, helping me generate revenue. Oh, Panda is here. Okay, Panda, I love you. Keep joining. Okay, with that being said, lads, let's get started with our stuff for today. This is a really good room. Oh, nice. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you so much. Also, thank you everyone for downloading, whoever downloaded this game. Let's see where we at. I think just keep an eye on like which level you have reached, so I can just show them the list. Hopefully, I believe like we will be able to reach at least 50-60 bucks from this, and then that would be helping us big time for the giveaway. Thank you so much, man. Let me know what level you reach and whatever you did based on the images I sent. That will help. Okay, but now let's get started and focus. Right? Let's just. Oh, nice. Damn. Okay. But yeah, let's lock in and get started for day 16 for our Try Hack Me because I have to return back to work after this. So, day 16 forensic registry forensic. Here is the link and we'll get started. Task 1 Introduction, the story. TBFC, one second, I'll do it like this. TBFC is under attack. Systems are exhibiting weird behavior, and the company is now feeling the absence of its lead defender, MexKitty. However, MexKitty made sure the legacy continues. MexKitty's team, determined and well trained, is fully confident in securing all the systems and regaining control before the big event Sockmas. They have now decided to conduct detailed forensic analysis on one of the most critical systems of TBFC, dispatch server. The dispatch server O1 coordinates the drone based gifts delivery during the Sockmas. However, recently it was compromised by King Malahare's bandits of bunnies. TVFC's defenders have decided to split into specialized teams to uncover the attack on this system through detailed forensics. While some of the other team members investigate logs, memory dumps, file systems, and other artifacts, you will work to investigate the registry of this compromised system. Howdy, Rover. So, we are going to work on while the other teams are doing this, we will be working on the forensics of this compromised system. Learning objective, understand what the Windows registry is and what it contains. Dive deeper into registry hives and root keys. Analyze registry hives through the built-in registry editor tool. So we are going to work and learn registry forensics and investigate through the registry explorer tool. So mostly we'll be playing inside Windows registry. No, I will not rent. Deep dive into the registries, root keys, and how things work. Analyze registry hives and the built-in registry editor tool. Cool. Connecting to the machine. Before moving forward, review the questions in the connection card shown below. Do I have the virtual machine ready? Not yet. Okay. Let's start this thing and we'll just do the split screen. I guess there is nothing extra today. Start your machine. It will take 2 minutes and blah blah blah. You can connect through the VPN using administrator, AOC, and stuff. I'm just going to open this in Brave because it's better. Okay, I'll just go to here. Okay, so let's say we can finish this one. My legs are 4 TB and bro, that's such a big word. Yo, Templar, what's up? So basically, today we are doing actually. So when a system is hacked, there are certain footprints of the hackers, the things they did and stuff like that. So we are going to actually find those footprints. We are going to find what they did through forensics using inside a software called Windows Registry. That's basically it. It's future proof. Okay, let's see what you want to brag about quickly. Damn. Damn. Oh, 4 TB SSD. Lexar. Damn. Damn, nice, bro. Rover is rich for sure. Damn, now, nice, bro. Nice. Okay, Templar. Hopefully that makes sense, right? Templar. Did you get the idea? Okay, we'll start with task 2. If you have any questions, let me know. Nice. Task 2, investigate the gifts delivery malfunctioning. Windows Registry. Your brain stores all the information that you need to function effectively. What? No, you didn't get it? Let me know if you don't get it, or what you want me to go over certain topic in this or certain part, I will do that. But okay, till then, we'll start with Windows Registry. Windows Registry, your brain stores all the information that you need to function effectively. This includes how should you how should you behave, what for 22K, I think Indian rupees, right? What would be the first thing you would do after waking up? How would you dress yourself? I was thinking from our container room, you should do a mini series on your world material. You can teach us without following someone else's. Oh, like basically from my own base. Oh, I can do that. I think I can do that. I need to like you let me know the topics which you want me to do, because right now Advent of Cyber I have to go, and I'm not the best with Windows Registry yet, but I can go over them. Sure, sure. Yeah, we can start working towards that, and then I can create mini videos for you guys. Sure. Okay. But yeah, let's I will just focus on this. I won't look at chat for some time. Okay, let's so Windows Registry. Your brain stores all the information that you need to function effectively. This includes how should you behave, what would be the first thing you would do after waking up, how would you dress yourself, what are your habits, what happened in the recent past, like yesterday what happened, what time you slept, blah blah blah. These are just few things. Your brain knows pretty much everything about you. No Your brain knows pretty much everything about you, is just like a database storing the human configuration. Windows operating system is not a human, but it also needs a brain to store all its configuration. The brain is, I did already. The brain is known as the Windows registry. The registry contains all the information that Windows operating system need for its functioning, right? So now Windows brain, basically Windows registry, is not stored in one single place. It's unlike a human brain, which is situated in one single place inside the head. It is made of several separate files, each storing information on different configuration settings. These files are known as hives. There's no other question, right? Okay. So basically, we have, I'll draw, yeah, I'll just draw it here. So we have Windows registry, the brain of our system, right? And brain will have data, right? So it will have hives, basically like kind of its folders, and then it will have the configuration files. Let's take a look at all these hives in the table below. The first column contains the hive name. Second column contains the type of configuration setting that each hive stores. And the third column contains the location of each hive on the disk. So basically, for system related hives, right? Like boot configuration, things that will open up when you start your system, configurations related to your booting, right? Hardware, drivers, like basically if you have NVIDIA GPU, there will be a driver for that. Your motherboard driver, your webcam driver, your printers driver, bunch of things, mounted devices, all the devices you have. So that's system one, and it's in system32 config system. Security related local security policies. This, if you are downloading using PowerShell, let's say if you're downloading UV or other things, right? You will have to change these security policies, and you can find them here, or using just PowerShell you can do, and changes will come here. Software related one, operating system version and other information related to it. Auto start, program settings, install programs. So all these ones so far are in system32 config, and first one is in system, second is in security itself, third is software itself. Yeah, SAM is usernames and their metadata, password hashes, group memberships, and accounts. So if you are have to hit getting the password hashes, this is the place. Anti-user data, recent files, user preferences, user specific auto starts. So anti-user and user class, shell bags, jump list. This is the one, these are the one which are specific to a user. They are at username anti-user, right? So that's interesting. That's good to know these things. I think I need to focus more on this stuff. What is this? Oh, this is the Windows, right? So we can go to registry hives. This is the virtual machine. So we have all the system log, system, SAM, SAM log 1, 2. So all the changes, anti-user data. Damn. So all the previous ones are also logged, which is interesting. An amazing amount of information one can get as a hacker. The configuration settings stored in each hive listed above are just a few examples. Each hive stores more than these. Now that you understand where the registry hives are stored, you may be tempted to double click and open these files from their respective location to view the data they contain. But here's the twist. These registry hives contain binary data that cannot be opened directly from the file. So, double clicking them would only display things you won't even ever understand. You won't ever understand because they are binary zeros and one. Then, how can we possibly view the registry data? Windows operating system has a built-in tool known as Registry Editor, which allows you to view all the registry data available in these hives. You can go ahead and open this tool by simply typing Registry Editor in your search bar. So if we go, not here, so if I go on search and do Registry Editor, this app will turn from binary and stuff. Okie dokie, we'll do next time. Where we got it now, so there is no point. So if we see, we have these hives, I guess. One second, my eyes. Did anybody did anything? Did any of you hack it? Isn't it? Uh, okay. Interesting that it just gave up on me then. Okay, I'll just restart a new one. No, I didn't close the virtual machine. That's the thing. I know I didn't. Which is fine. Okay, let's keep on going for now. When we opened the registry editor, right, we also that there was edge key root classes root. current user, local machine users, and current configuration. No, dude, that's a lot. Don't. Okay. As you can see in the registry editor screenshot above, there are some folders named HKey local machine, HKey current user, and more. Now, let's lock in. Let's lock in now. But didn't we expect system security software, etc., when we were looking at the edge hives we were looking in the previous table to be seen so that we can view their data? Don't worry, Windows, I'll just make it bigger. Windows organizes all the registry hives into these structured root keys. Instead of seeing the registry hives, you would always get these registry root keys. Instead of root keys, I think it should be root keys whenever you open the registry. Now, which registry key contains which registry hives data? So basically, we were expecting hives to be, let's say, in system and then the system related file, right? Whatever it was. But they have it in version called root keys. Whatever the reason they had, let's see, but all of them will still be there. Don't worry, Windows organizes all the registry hives into the structured root keys. Instead of seeing the registry hives, you would always get these registry root keys whenever you open the registry. Now, which registry key contains which registry hives data? To answer this question, we have the table below that maps the registry keys to their respective hives. First is system, which will have H key local machine. So we have the local machine system. Security one will be in the local machine security, software in local machine. So that's good to know. SAM is in local machine SAM. This is the only difference, right? I believe. No, okay. So basically, all there is no difference. So like all Windows systems 32 are removed or basically renamed by H key local machine. And then we have users SID or current user. Then we user ID with software classes. In the table, so it stopped again. I don't know what's happening. I'll just yeah. Is it any breaking for anybody else as well? Okay, I'll keep it open just in the side. Let's see if that's the issue. Yeah, probably. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what they want, right? And we'll get to our stuff, anyways. So, in the table above, you can see the most of the registry hives are located under HKey local machine, HKLM key. We can verify this by clicking on little toggle arrow at the at the on the that's crazy English, huh? On the left side of HKLM key in the registry editor as shown in the screenshot below. So when we let's say go to local machine, we open, we see SAM security software and system. As you can see, this all the four hives are under the HKLM key. They have a practical you do below. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, boss. Then we have the user one and user data and user class related data are located under HKey users. So this one below and HKey current user as well. So user and current configuration or current user here, not current configuration, current user. Okay. Note, it's just quitting, man. It's just done. Okay, we'll see later, I guess. The other two keys, the HKey classes root, HCKR, current configuration are not part of the same Hive files. They are dynamically populated when Windows is running. So far, we have learned that the registry is where it is located in separate registry hives and how to view the registry through registry editor, which displays the registry keys backed by these registry hives. Really? Oh, interesting. Now let's see how we can actually extract information from the registry. Think of it like navigating to different files in the file explorer. If you know the path where the file is stored, you can go directly to the location to find the file. Let's take a look at a few examples. View connected USB devices. So that's one of our examples we have to do. The registry key content explained in this example are not available in the attached virtual machine. So you can try it on your local stuff, right? The registry stores information on the USB devices that have been connected to the system. This information is present in the system hive. To view it, open the registry, local machine. So this will be our system 32 configuration. And then we have system, user control set, enum, USB store, right? So if we go from local machine system, current control, you guys can see current control set, enum, and then we have USB store, and we can see SanDisk Cruiser Blade 16 GB. So here you can probably make changes to like deceive in future, right? Here you will see USB devices information like the make, model, device ID. Each device will have the following: the main subkey, that is the identification of the type and the manufacturer of the USB device. A subkey under the above, for example, for under the above, that represents the unique devices under this model. Okay, so we have one main subkey, we have hardware ID, we have the driver, container ID, configuration. Hold up. So manufacturer device. Probably they're talking about one of these IDs somewhere. I don't know the subkey. I don't know if that's mentioned properly or not. Or here it is. Okay. So these might be the ID. Let's see. Yeah, under the above, I think maybe it's like talking about here, like in the previous above store or whatever. Or I'm like the first four digits are the key ID. Oh, like the 4C53, those ones? That's interesting. Yeah, general, those are used for finding which USB was it. Oh, I see. Thanks, boss. Okay. View programs run by the user. The registry stores information on the program that the user ran using the run dialog box like WinR. This information is present in anti-user data hive, so that's user specific. So that makes sense why it's there. Registry user. Then we go to the path current user, software Microsoft Windows current version, Explorer, and then run MRU. And then we have CMD, Notepad, all these ones that were open. And then we have registry editor, calculator, PowerShell, configuration, same things, right? And MRU list. Registry Forensics. Since the registry contains a wide range of data about the Windows system, it plays a crucial role in forensic investigation, right? Those are called vendor IDs. Oh, just like the same we have for MAC addresses. That's good to know. Thank you, man. Since the registry contains a wide range of data about Windows system, it plays a crucial role in forensic investigations. Registry forensics is the process of extracting and analyzing evidences about the registry. In Windows, detailed forensic investigations or investigators analyze registry, uh, event logs, file system data, memory data, and other relevant data to construct the whole incident timeline. Yo, Ghost, what's up? Nice, man. PGPT, that's awesome. Atta boy. How's everything going, boss? Yeah, indeed, Robert. The table below lists some registry keys that are particularly useful during forensic investigation. We have okay, excuse me. So we have these one, like for example, user id, and then why these tables are like this? Nice one. Let us know how it goes and how what are all the material. I would love to hear. So we have current user one, right? Software Microsoft Windows current version and Explorer. Then we have user edit. So it stores information on recently accessed application launched via GUI. So that's interesting. I can just look at my information too, or you guys can look at this one. Have a look at this one for your information as well, what you guys opened and stuff. Then we have typed paths. It stores all the paths and locations typed by the user inside the Explorer address bar. Then we have app paths, which is stores the path of the applications. Word wheel query stores all the search terms typed by the user in the Explorer search bar. That's amazing. It stores every single detail. It stores information on the programs that are set to automatically start, basically start up when booting, right? When the user logs in. That's amazing. Damn, bro, there's a lot of interesting information they have. So we have to keep an idea of like when we are doing these, right? Oh, thank you. Numerous other registry keys are used for extracting information. Sorry, one second. Let me drink some water. Okay. Numerous other registry keys can be used for extracting important evidence from a Windows system during an incident investigation. The investigation of these registry keys during forensics cannot be done via built-in registry tool. Okay. It is because the registry analysis cannot be done via built-in uh, it is because registry analysis cannot be done on the system under investigation due to the chance of the modification. So we collect the registry hives and open them offline in our forensic workstation. Because these things can change. Yes, they mentioned that in the current user things were dynamic and stuff. So we collect the registry hives and open them offline into our forensic workstation. However, the registry does not allow opening offline hives. The registry editor also displays some of the key values in binary which are not readable. To solve this problem, there are some tools built for registry forensics. In this task, we will see Registry Explorer tool, which is a registry forensic tool. So basically, certain files cannot open. We can't open offline files, this and that. So to solve that problem, we have Registry Explorer. Basically, this whole thing. That's what it's saying. It is open source and can pass the binary data out of the registry. And now we can analyze it without the fear of modification. Add what ads? Okay, I'll run a one quick minute ad. Practical. In the in this practical example, we will use Registry Explorer tool to analyze the registry hives from the compromised system, dispatch server 01. The registry hives has been collected and are available in the folder, this one, on the machine attached to this task. Launch the Registry Explorer, and then we will have I can pin in the taskbar of the task sheet. So we have Registry Explorer and we have Registry Hives, the offline ones. So first let's do one quick thing. Let's try again with our machine. Hopefully next year I can make one of these videos and I have an editor to make these things better. That would be very nice. Eric Zimmerman. Yeah, yeah. Oh, nice. Send the link in the videos channel, bro, Wrench. Dude, I'm working on this LLM. Hopefully, I'm able to create videos of my own using AI. That would be very amazing. Termination. Why it keeps terminating? Oh, thank you, boss. There's so much information. We need like a good way to do keep an eye on things. There's just so much information. Yeah, community wiki. Oh, I can host that actually. Oh, I can host that. I think I know a software that can do that, and I have a way to do it. Okay, I remind. I will look into that. Thank you. Yes, I'll do that actually. More like a almost like a Gitbooks. I think that's the word of the software. Is it Gitbooks? Yeah, Gitbook. Similar to that. Similar to that. So we have MaxKitty here. Yeah, it's a really good way to document things. I just love it. Yeah, I need to like look if they have any freer versions. If not, I will just host it on my own. That's something I would like to host. So we have okay for now till this is working. Let's focus on this. Let's open the registry editor. Somebody's connecting to my system. Okay, that's interesting. Why they are doing what's happening though. So we have registry editor opening. Forensic registry page. Oh, you want to see the IP? Do it after this, please. Okay, going to the practical, right? We have the Explorer icon pinned to the taskbar and the target machine to launch it, right? Load the registry hives. So we'll just first load the hives which are opens with the empty interface. Follows these steps to load them. So we'll go to the file and load the hives from the drop down. Handling dirty hives. While loading registry hives, it is important to know the registry hives can sometimes have dirty can sometimes be dirty when collected from the live system, meaning they can have incomplete transactions. To ensure clean loading, first let me just open this load. After loading, I think it's in registry hives here, so I'll just open these ones. I do I just can do these, or can I just open all? Registry hives, only the system one we should open. Select the desired one, for example system, hold shift and then open to load associated transaction log files. This ensures you get the clean consistent hive. Okay, shift and open. Okay, so I'll clean a new one. I'll open a clean. Yo, what's up, Rain? Panda. Okay, my will have file load. Ah, whoever is doing this, please don't do it. Load. Then let's say we have security. I will do shift open. Transaction log has been relayed and in memory has been updated. The disk has not been updated. Okay. So we have this, which opens interestingly weird way. Yes, indicating the successful reveal of transactions. Repeat the same process for all other hives that you want to load. Investigate the registry keys. So after loading the system hive, you can navigate to the specific registry keys for investigation. Let's practice by finding the computer name. That's true. That's true. Yeah, right now only one person can use, I guess. We have not policies, I believe. Where was it? Root control set 0. So that would be control set 0, controls computer name. Hmm, that's not working. Okay, let's unload all them. We have nothing right now, so let's load this one and then we'll load the system one. Shift open. This time I think it opened correctly. Yeah. So we have control set 01, then we have control computer name, and then we have control computer name. This information here. Uh, Let me make it a bit smaller, and I will have Brave actually. Uh, I will open the my content in Brave, and then this one I will make small so it's easy to see what they are doing. Thank you, boss. So we have here the dispatch server 0. So we know we got it from the right server, these all files and stuff. Now let's look what they want from us next. Uh, Want to load. So we were able to see the dispatch server 01 in our stuff. I hate this. I hate the UI. Okay, so we opened the system. We saw the server name, dispatch server 1. Alternatively, you can click on available bookmarks tab and navigate to the computer name key. From there, examine the values to identify the system's host name under the data value, and you'll find dispatch server 01, which we did. Now that you understand how to load hives and navigate the registry explorer, you are ready to begin your forensic investigation and uncover evidences of TBFC's intrusion on the dispatch server. The abnormal activity on dispatch server started on 21st October 2025. The table given in the registry forensic explanation is going to be your friend. Okay, that's good. What application was installed on this server before the abnormal activity started? So, we'll just keep an eye on this server. We have current version, recent docs and stuff, and there must be one about app pass. One full hour ad. Nah, dude, I can't do that. Okay. So we have this, and these are available bookmarks as well. This is good. Okay. Now what we can do is, given we can just go to the forensics and we see to store information on the program that you have set or where to start. Given this, I want to see all the apps that were downloaded. So let's see if I can get information about this. Recent files, user specification, blah blah blah. Installed programs in the software we'll see. Okay, and I think we did the software one. Just need to look at the right place, I guess. Maybe in software, Microsoft. The two, uh, where in registry editor I can see all the applications that were installed. Windows current version unins for all uninstall. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I turned that off. I turned that off. Okay. So in Microsoft, Windows current version and this. So Microsoft, and this one is in system, right? Software. So we did system. So I'll just get the software one as well. I should have read what it said. Do you want to load the dirty hive? Yes. No. Is it loading? Come on. Load the hive. We have system, but I want to load the okay software one. Shift and open. Shift and enter. Yes, it did said. This time it's working. Okay, this time it worked. Okay, we have system, and then I want to see Microsoft. Current version was it? Windows. Do you have any bookmarks? Software, Windows, current version, and installed programs, right? Or uninstall. Installer. Then we have uninstall. Here we can see all the files name, installed version, installed date, 13th of 8, 13 8, 13 8. Can I just do okay? Yeah, I can do that. So before on the 21st, we have Drone Manager update that was installed, and what they are looking for, Drone Manager update. Okay, so this one. No, oh, just it's asking for Drone Manager. Drone Drone Manager updater. What is the full path where the user launched the application found in question 1? This one, C program, Drone Manager, drone, whatever. Uninstall string, that's the uninstall string, never mind. Does it work though? Program files. Nope, it won't work in the program. Okay. I need to see the full path where the user launched the application. So let's see other bookmarks that are available. Maybe wait, values. Okay. Current version, Windows Defender devices, commands. Current version, control panel, devices. Hmm. Wait, I think I saw something. Start menu. No. Okay. Full path of application, what the user did. Stores all the paths of and location typed by the user inside the Explorer. So we will need to go current version and then Explorer and type past. Okay. Current version, Explorer. Imagine just two, three people writing this much amount of software. What? Oh, not to me. Okay. There's two current versions. Image, and then we have Explorer is not here. Okay, that's fine. How do I ping this guy? CH bro, want hint? Wait. No, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. I would like to struggle a bit. And there is run as well. That could be helpful. So current version run. Run. Let's see what details this guy got. Oh, drone helper. There is information here. Okay, program files, drone helper, drone manager, drone helper. What value was added to the application menu? This is it, background, right? Dash dash background. So I think this one we got. No, we didn't. Oh, it was C program files, drone updater, drone helper.exe, background. No, drone manager, not updater. Okay. Okay, beautiful. I know, man. I just like manual typing a lot with the tuck 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 from the keyboard. I just have my own things. Okay, full path. If you enjoyed today's, there is this one which you can just check. But what was this the full path where the user launched the application found in question one? That needs to be current version. That stores all the information about the installed programs, computer name, recent docs. RE recent docs. No. user data, uninstall. Bro, there's so many messages. C program airdrop. Oh wait, something is here. Let's drop off. Never mind. Installation date. Not here. Okay. The other install might have it. Okay. Let me just quickly recap. What exactly it is looking for is the full path where the user launched the application. So from where the user launched the application, location, paths of all the locations. So current version app path is app path. Okay, app paths is here. Then I want to go for A, B, C, D, E, drone manager, drone updater. So not in this app path. Hmm. Drone. Do I get anything? Or maybe I can just quick do these paths. Type path. Let's see. Do you think this will the search is good or no? Probably not, I guess. If you know how to. Is it like this? You have to give like a okay, I might just go for the hint. One last thing I will check is recent doc. For recent docs, then we have run, then we have app paths and type paths and user assist. User data, user assist is in the current version in Explorer. Current version Explorer. Recent docs. Okay. User assist. No. Yeah, I'm in the software hive. Yeah. Yeah. There's run. Shouldn't I be in the software one to get all the paths and everything? Let me just take the hint. Oh, NT user data key. Okay. And GUI. Okay, okay, okay. Load, and then we have NT user data about the specifics of a data user. Thank you, boss. Did I need to know these things? I keep on pressing the wrong key. Load and do shift, not caps lock. Okay, let's see what we get. Let's do a quick refresh here, maybe. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate the gesture. And then we have NT user. Registry, yeah, it's like it's very interesting. App paths, MS Paint, OneDrive. Okay. Run is not there. User assist. Here we go. This might give us the info we are looking for. Okay, all the stuff, but I want drone one. Go to app. VLC, Power Task Manager, File Explorer. Typed paths. Current version. Let's see if we have Explorer in this one then. Store. Oh, Explorer and then store. Where is store? Store is not here. Maybe in the root. Let me just search store. Cloud store. Store. No, thing here. Okay. shell. I will also send a list of common places to look for if some hacker like CH gets into the system. Yes, please. Check the file path again. Where like file path is the one that's needed, right? So like I think explore root. Okay. Explore root something. I don't understand what this. Explorer user assist. Okay, yes. That was user assist. I search. User assist. That's an NT user this time, so that's good. Program name. I'm looking for the drone one, right? Drone. Here we go. Can I copy? No. There's no copy. Okay. Uh, does this work? No. Okay. Okay. Let me do C users dispatcher, or was that dispatcher? Dispatch.admin downloads drone manager setup. Patch admin downloads drone setup. Downloads drone setup. Drone manager setup. .exe. Abuse AI in those spots. Screenshot paste to Gemini. Ask for plain text. Oh, nice. That's actually neat. I didn't do that. Thank you, Robert. That's actually neat. Okay. Nice. Thank you, man. Thanks. Thanks for the insights. I like it. Alrighty, lads. Another day, another one complete. This was a good one. Um, yeah, I guess that's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining. I'm just going to post this on my LinkedIn. Damn, Shriram did it a long time ago. So, also have screen capture on for a shortcut key. Oh, yeah, he's at it. It's fine. He's good. He's doing. I'm happy for him. And yeah, with that being said, I think this will be just one coming. Yeah, never more than one. Never ever more than one. My last name Satija, and his is Bharat. I think. Yeah, basically. Alrighty, lads. Okay. With that being said, thank you so much, everyone. Oh, I see. Senor Satija. Oh, Satiha. Senor Satiha. Satiha. Satiha, not Sataha. Okay, lads. Um, yeah, this was it for the day, right? I'll take you guys leave now. Have to get some work done for the job because I'm still a corporate slave like yesterday. And yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for joining, Senor Gaurav Satiha. Yeah, that's basically how it will be. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, lads. Hope you guys enjoyed today's room, and I will see you guys in the evening for some more Lead Code.I series. Till then, yes, your corporate slave signing off. Amazing day, amazing room. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the evening. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you.